Children Business Park Racing just is started. We have Thunder Max break quickly to start. Right as rain is Arias, and in the middle portion comes TJ's Gold. The next online is Dixie Storm, then followed now by Askai. Full of Stars, Lucky Tony's running by the rail, while Coragioso is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Thunder Max. This says why we followed if we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a length and a half lead. Right as rain is right behind in second, Dixie Storm running by the rail. Fourth comes Lucky Tony, moving up on the outside, TJ's Gold. That on the inside is Coragioso, while Sky Full of Stars now racing in less inside the tres octavo. We have Thunder Max. Right as rain is on the outside, Lucky Tony is racing in third. Then here comes Coragioso, moving up now is TJ's Gold. The next online, Dixie Storm, while Sky Full of Stars is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Right as rain now takes command by length. Down on the inside, second is Thunder Max. Lucky Tony Coragioso comes next with about 100 meters of the race. Right as rain, Thunder Max is running by the rail, Coragioso, Lucky Tony, and finally it's right as rain. Thunder Max, Lucky Tony, Coragioso, Sky Full of Stars, TJ's Gold, and Dixie Storm comes in last.
Unang tumawid sa meta, 4A, Right as Rain, sa Val Dilemma. Yan. Unofficial winner po natin yan, 4A, Right as Rain, followed by Thunder Max, Lucky Tony.